Are you considering Google Ads as a way to get more leads for your handyman business? Great, you're in the right spot. We're going to talk about what you need to do and what you need to know about Google Ads to make your business successful if you're trying to drive more leads for your handyman business. And guess what? Google Ads is a great way to do it. That's why it's a multi-trillion-dollar business, is because search ads work to drive paying customers to businesses, which is why so many businesses use them. So let's jump right in and talk about what you need to know about Google Ads for your handyman business so that you can make a good decision about whether or not this is the right fit for you. But first, for anyone not familiar with Google Ads at all, let's talk a little bit about what it is and what it's like. So Google Ads is just simply going into a system and saying, if somebody searches this, right, handyman services, I am willing to put an ad up for that. And then you just write a little ad that says, like, here's my title, here's my description, here's the link to my website, and you choose what you'll bid for that. So you can pay like $2 a click or $5 a click. And Google's gonna tell you how much or how competitive it is, how many other people are paying for those clicks too. So if a lot of people are paying, it's kind of a bidding system. If a lot of people are willing to pay, then the price goes up. If not as many people are bidding on that keyword, then it goes down. So let's jump right into what you need to know to participate in this auction for these keyword searches to help drive people who are in the market for handyman services to your business. All right, first up, picture this. You're searching online for best handyman in your town, and the first thing you see is an ad for a local handyman. That could be you. That's what Google Ads does. It puts your business right in front of potential customers who are searching for the exact services you offer. So it's like getting to put a digital billboard on Google on the information highway. So let's say Mrs. Johnson is looking for someone to fix her kitchen sink. She searches, right, handyman near me, and guess whose ad shows up first? Yours. Okay, now why are Google Ads great for a handyman business? First, you reach the right people at the right time. It's like catching fish when they're biting, right? You're not just shouting into a megaphone like you are with like a newspaper ad, hoping the right person hears you. You're talking directly to the folks who need your skills right when they need them. So think about our friend, Mr. Lopez. Let's say he needs his deck repaired. He searches, he finds your ad, and bam, now you're gonna be fixing his deck next weekend, right? Plus, you control the costs. You decide how much to spend, like setting a budget for new tools. The best part, you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. So it's like only paying for the nail when you actually hammer it. Let's talk about setting up your Google Ads campaign. It's easier than you think, all right? So here's a quick overview. All you do is you create your ad, you write something catchy that tells what you do. So fast, reliable handyman services, no job too small, Denver, Colorado, right? You write something like that. Then you choose your audience, so you pick where you show your ads. Maybe you just show it in your town or maybe in the towns around you. Then you set your budget. You decide how much you want to spend each day or spend per click. It's like deciding how much equipment to buy. You don't want to buy too many or too few for the project you're about to do. And then you just launch your campaign. You put your ad out there and you watch customers roll in as they click on your ads and go to your website and fill out the lead form on your website and call your business. Now you need somewhere to direct them, so make sure you have a setup, a professional Mighty Sites website, simple professional website for only $9 a month. It's got a lead form on there. Send your campaign just to your website link, and then people can find your business to call you and submit your lead form on your website, right, and contact you. So remember, there's always opportunities to tweak and adjust your ads. So you want to keep fine tuning them, try a little bit different copy, try a little bit different budget, and just see what works best for you, right? So there you have it. If you like this video, please subscribe, please like it for more great feedback. Google Ads can be a game changer for a handyman business, helping you to attract more customers easily. Give it a try, watch your business grow, and until next time, wishing you mighty success. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can catch us in more great videos to help you build your handyman business.